Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2, Variant 1 for May-June 2026. I'll be doing the presentation task, which is task 4. Task 5, all other tasks are already done and uploaded. You can find the link in the description. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file power.rtf. So let's open PowerPoint, open a blank presentation. So we need to import the slides. So click on New Slide, Slides from Outline. Open your folder. This is the given file power.rtf. Insert. So you'll get all the slides here. There will be a blank slide here. This you can remove. So now you can see there are 6 slides, the title and bulleted list. So we have 6 slides. The slides display title and a bulleted list. Place in the left of the slide header your name, center number, and candidate number. In the footer, slide numbers center aligned. To make sure it appears on every slide, all the elements that must appear on every slide must be set in the master slide. For that, go to View, Slide Master. Go to the topmost slide. So your name, center number, candidate number should be on the left of the header. So these elements which are already given, you can remove these placeholders. We can insert the placeholders as and when required. Now go to Insert, a text box on the left in the header. So here you can give your name, center number, candidate number. Now place in the footer automated slide numbers center aligned. So insert again a text box in the center. Keep your cursor inside this text box. Again go to Insert and then choose slide number. Make sure it is center aligned here. Make sure the header and footer appear in the same position on every slide. No items overlap on any slide. So the items that are to be placed on the master slide is done. You can close the master slide view. Go to View, click on Normal. So now you can see the candidate details and slide number are shown on every slide. Format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullets. The title and subtitle are center aligned. So just select the first slide, right click. You can see layout here. Select the title slide layout. So automatically the title and subtitle are center aligned. Insert a new slide as a slide 7 in your presentation. Format this slide to have a title and chart layout only. Enter the title Battery Demands. So we need a new slide here after slide 6. So you can choose title and content. So here the title is Battery Demands. Format this slide to have a title and chart layout only. Okay. Use the data in the file demand.csv to create a stacked column chart. So open the demand.csv file. Make sure all the data are visible. We need a stacked column chart to compare the battery demands for all vehicle types from 2020 to 2025 only. So select the vehicle types here and the data for 2020 to 2025. Now go to insert. This is a stacked column chart. Click on stacked column chart. This chart must display the year on the category axis. So here the year must be displayed. So select this axis, right click, select data. Here you click edit because this 1, 2, 3, 4 should be changed to year. So from 2020 to 2025, you can select you OK. Okay. So the year is displayed on the category axis, the GWH per year on the value axis, and legend showing the vehicle types. So legend is here and the GWH is shown here. Label the chart as follows. Chart title must be Annual Lithium Ion Battery Usage. So the chart title, you have to type the title there. The value axis is GWH and category is year. So you can click on this plus sign, give axis title. And here it must be year. That's done. Format the value axis scale to display a minimum value of 0, maximum value of 1250. So right click, format axis. Minimum is 0, maximum is 1250 with an increment of 250. So increment must be given in major. Give 250. Increment is the difference between the units on the axis. So that's done. Place the chart on the slide with the title Battery Demands that you created in step 23. Resize the chart so that it fills most of the space below the title. So let's copy the chart. And paste it here. Make sure that no words are split, data and labels do not overlap and are fully visible. Save the presentation, print the presentation as a handout in portrait orientation with 2 slides to the page. So here you can see the style of the title. You can just copy the format, click, select this and click on the format painter. Now you go to the slide and apply it to this one so that we have the same style. In the graph, if you want, you can change the font size of the title because it's too small here. You can select it and make it. Also, the legend must be clear. You can change the size. So the graph is completely clear now. Save the presentation. Print the presentation as a handout in portrait orientation with two slides to the page, each filling half the page. So you can print, go to print. Now this is showing as full page slides. In order to print as two slides per page, click here. You can select two slides per page. So two slides are there. For the examination purpose, your candidate details should be given in the header or footer. So you can just click on edit header and footer, include header, give your name, center number, and candidate number. Apply to all so that it will show on the page header. This is only on the slides. So this is the required printout for the presentation task. So the presentation task is done. You can find other tasks linked in the description. Thank you for now.